All friends are welcome. I am Subenjit. Today we are starting math practice set for RRB NTPC exams. Let's see the questions. To complete a work, it takes 50% more time than B. If together they take 18 days to complete the work, how much time shall be take to do it? Okay, suppose B takes X days, A takes 50% more than B. Then A takes X into 150 by 100, 0, 0 by 5, 3, 2 equal to 3x by 2 days. Okay, so B's 1 day's work is 1 by x and A's 1 day's work is 2 by 3x. If together they take 18 days, so together their 1 day's work 1 by 18. So we can write 1 by x plus 2 by 3x equal to 1 by 18. LCM x and 3x, 3x. 3x by x, 3, 3x by x, 2 equal to 1 by 18. Okay. Then 3 plus 2, 5 by 3x equal to 1 by 18. Then x equal to 5 into 8 by 3. 18 by 3, 6. 5 into 6, 30. So answer is A. Okay. Let's see the second question. The difference between compound interest and simple interest on rupees 8,000 at 5% per annum for 3 years is. Simple interest on 8,000 is 8,000 into 5%, 5 by 100 for 3 years into 3, 0, 0, 0, 0. Product is 1200. Okay. Now compound interest on rupees 8,000 is we shall apply shortcut trick. This is one. Simple interest on 8,000 at 5%. 0, 0, 400. Second, simple interest on 400 at 5%. 0, 0, 20 for 3 years. So 3 times. The simple interest on rupees 20 at 5%. Five, 1. Then putting the value at the ratio 3:3:1 for 3 years, we get 3:3:1. We get 3 into 400 plus 3 into 20 plus 1. The 3:3:1. Product is 1261. Question is difference. So difference is 61. Okay? The answer is C. Let's see the question number 3. 3 men or 5 women can do a work in 12 days. How long will 6 men and 5 women take to finish the work? Here 3 men equal to 5 women. Okay? So 6 men equal to 10 women. Then total women are 10 plus 5, 15. Then we can write 5 women can do the work 12 days. 1 woman can do the work. It is opposite relation. So 12 into 5 days. Okay? Then 15 women can do 12 into 5 by 15. 3, 12 by 3, 4. The answer is 4 days. Answer A. Okay? Question number 4. The value of 999 and 995 by 999 into 999. Okay. We get 999 and 995 by 999 plus 4 by 999 equal to 1000. Okay? Then we can write 1000 minus 4 by 999 equal to 999 and 995 by 999. Okay? The question is into 999. Then 1000 into 999, product is 999000. Okay? Minus 4 by 999 into 999, product is 4. Then answer is 998996. Answer is B. Okay. Question number 5. If A is to B equal to 3 is to 4 and B is to C equal to 8 is to 9, then value of A is to C. A is to B, we can write A by B. B is to C, we can write into B by C equal to 3 by 4 into 8 by 9. Okay. B 8 by 4 2, 9 by 3 3. Then answer is A is to C equal to 2 is to 3. Answer is D. Okay. Question number 6. If A is to B is to C equal to 2 is to 3 is to 4, then value of A by B is to B is to C is to C is to A. Okay. Let A equal to 2K and B equal to CK and C equal to B equal to C equal to 4K. Then A by B, (2K by 3K), K, answer is 2 by 3. Same B by C equal to 3 by 4. Okay. And C by A equal to 4 by 2. 4 by 2, 2 by 1. Then ratio of A by B is to B by C is to C by A. 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4 is to 2 by 1. LCM of 3, 4 and 1 is 12. Now multiplying each by 12 we get 2 by 3 into 12 is to 3 by 4 into 12 is to 2 by 1 into 12. 12 by 3, 4. 12 by 4, 3. The answer is 8 is to 9 is to 24. Okay. Here answer is C. Question number 7. If AB equal to 36 then which of the following is correct? We know in a proportion product of extreme equal to products of means. Then answer A is A into B equal to 9 into 4, 36. If AB is equal to 36, so answer is A. Okay. Question number 8. The ratio of Rohin's and Vikas present age is 9:10. After 4 years, the ratio of their ages becomes 11:12. What is Rohin's present age? Okay. Let their present age is 9x and 10x. After 4 years, the ratio of their ages become 11:12. Then we can write 9x plus 4 by 10x plus 4 equal to 11 by 12. We get by cross multiplication 110x plus 44 equal to 108x plus 48. Then 2x equal to 4, x equal to 2. The question is, what is Rohin's present age? The Rohin's present age is 9x. So answer is 9x equal to 9 into 2, 18. Answer A. Okay. Next question. The surface areas of two spheres are in the ratio of 1:4. The ratio of their volumes is. Let the radius of the sphere is small r and capital R. Okay. We know the formula. The surface areas of sphere is 4 pi r square. So we can write 4 pi small r square by 4 pi capital R square equal to 1 by 4. 4 pi. So R by capital R is equal to root 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Then R cube by capital R cube equal 1 by 8. The question is the ratio of their volume. We know the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then we can write 4 by 3, the ratio, the 4 by 3 pi r cube by 4 by 3 pi capital RQ. 4 by 3 pi. So RQ by capital RQ equal to 1 by 8. Okay, answer is D. Next question. A rectangle measures 8 centimeter on length and its diagonal measures 10 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? Here is a rectangle. Okay. It is diagonal A, B, C. Length 8 centimeter. Diagonal 10 centimeter. The question is perimeter. We know from Pythagoras theory AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Then second side root 10 square minus 8 square. 100 minus 64, 36. Root 36 equal to 6. Then perimeter 2 into 8 plus 6 equal to 28 centimeter. Answer is C. Okay. Next question. A, B and C entered into a partnership. A invested rupees 2,560 and B invested rupees 2,000. At the end of the year, they gained rupees 1,105, out of which A got rupees 320. The question is, C's capital was. Let the ratio of their capital is A is to B is to C equal to 2,560 is to 2,000 is to X. Okay. Then at the end of the year they gained rupees 1,105 and A got rupees 320. So we can write 1,105 into S capital 2560 by sum of these 4560 plus X equal to 320. Okay. Then 1105 into 2560 by 320 equal to 4560 plus X. Okay. 256 by 32 equal to 8. The product is 8840 minus 4 560 equal to x. The answer is 4280 equal to x. So answer is 4280. Answer C. Answer C. Okay. Next question. At what rate of simple interest a certain sum will be doubled in 15 years? Let the sum be rupees X. Okay? Doubled. Then simple interest be X. Question is, what rate of simple interest? We know rate percent is 100 into simple interest by profit, by principal into time. Putting the value, we get 100 into interest X by principal কত X into time 15, X by 5, 23. The answer is 20 by 3 equal 6 and 2 by 3%. Okay? Answer is C. Next question. A sum of money amounts to rupees 5,200 in 5 years and to rupees 5,680 in 7 years at simple interest. The question is the rate of interest per annum. Okay. Simple interest of 2 years is rupees 5,200 in 5 years and 5,680 in 7 years. Then simple interest of 2 years is 5680 minus 5200 is 1200. Okay? No, is 480. So simple interest of 5 years is, this is 2 years. So 5 years is 480 by 2 into 5. 240 into 5 equal to 1200. This is interest. So we get principal is 5,200 minus 1200 equal to 400. This is principal. The question is rate of interest. We know rate of interest percent is 100 into interest 1200 by principal 4000 into time 5 year 0 0 0 0, okay, 0 0, 10 by 5 2, 12 by 4 3. Answer is 6%. D answer, okay. The next question is, if the average of n numbers is n square and that of n numbers is m square, then the average of m plus n numbers is total of m plus n numbers is m into n square, m n square plus n into m square, n m square, okay, mn common, then n plus m. The question is the average. So the average of m plus n numbers is m n into n plus m by m plus n. n plus m by m plus n 1. Then answer is mn. Answer C. Okay.